Alright everybody, welcome back to some videoing again. So, I just took a loss to Miami in week 1 as the Patriots, 28-27, and now it's time to move on to week 2. So I'm going the whole franchise thing, and, well, now look what I play the Jets. Yeah. So, returning from injury. So, for my team, returning from injury, we got Devin McCourtney, Joshua Bledsoe, Adrian Phillips, J.C. Jackson. Oh. I don't know. Who knows? But we're going to play the Jets. We're going to play that game. We're going to play that full game. I got some better players. Matthew Judon, Hunter Henry. I got Antonio Brown. I got A.J. Brown. Gave away some receivers. I got Adam Thielen, I think. I'm kicking. Well, start of week 2. Zach Wilson, he's so bad. So, 0-0. Gotta pick a defensive play. Let's do cover 3. Get to that running back. Get to him. Didn't do pretty good. They got a first down. But yeah, they could do better. Like, way better. I feel like the Jets will make it to the playoffs this year. Me, personally, I won't. Oh, I just trucked him. Yes! Sack. Let's go. Sack. Snip, snip. Got a sack. Snip. Snip. Bro, I got that OP snack. I mean, OP sack. Get him. Now it's 2nd and 16. 3rd and 11. Dang. Woo-wee. Whew. Push through. Ah, yes, sir. They're gonna punt. Ah, I'm returning. They're punting. My team's just that good. My team's just good. Oh, no. Guys, don't look at this return. Barely anything. Mac Jones. Alright, let's look at this formation.
They'll be led by the Heisman finalist from a season ago, the rookie from Alabama, Mac Jones.
Oh, Mac Jones. Got Bourne. We got Harris. Got Johnson. We got Aguilar. We got Henry. We got Mike Jones. Yeah. Ah, dang it. I'm so stupid. Ah, shoot. Don't. You're kidding, right? Okay, now you gotta see. Mac! What are you thinking, Mac? Oh my gosh! This team is awesome. Now that right there is what I call Kendrick Bourne style. Mac Jones, you just got bodied. But hey, you did make a good play. Alright, Jones. You ready to do a handoff? I bet you are. He's gonna go back a lot. Oh. He went forward like, 4 yards. Barely anything. Kendrick Bourne got me like to the 47 or something. Come on. One-handed. He one-handed that thing. How did he do that? Oh dang. Oh dang. Oh dang, I messed up. I thought I was gonna run the ball. I mean, no. I thought I was gonna pass the ball. I'm so dumb. Okay, pass and play. No run. Pass. Oh no. Nah. Hey, Mac Jones is on there. Oh my god. Come on, Maccabee Jones. Alright, Mac. You're gonna go first. Ah, dang it. I'm so stupid. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna do something that I shouldn't be doing, but I'm gonna do. I'm gonna convert on fourth. And yes, why am I converting on fourth? Well, it works every time. Nelson Aguilar. Michael Myers? Why is Michael Myers out there? Jacoby Myers touchdown. Holy crap. Alright, this is going to end the video right here. I hope you guys liked the video. And subscribe. Like and subscribe. Bye.